Imagine a world where money isn't controlled by banks or governments. A world where financial power is in the hands of the people. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? Well, this is the reality of cryptocurrency. From the mysterious creation of Bitcoin to the explosive rise of decentralized finance, the crypto world has revolutionized how we think about money. But how did it all start? Who's behind it? And where is it headed? Buckle up, because today we're diving deep into the history of cryptocurrency, its current state, and even how figures like Donald Trump are shaping its future. Let's get started. Cryptocurrency. It's a word that's been buzzing around for over a decade now. Some call it the future of money, while others see it as a risky gamble. But one thing's for sure, it's changed the way we think about finance. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating journey of cryptocurrency, from its humble beginnings with Bitcoin to the rise of decentralized finance, or DeFi, and where it stands today. We'll also touch on how political figures like Donald Trump are influencing the crypto world. So, whether you're a crypto enthusiast or just curious, this is the story you don't want to miss. The birth of Bitcoin. A mystery unfolds. Our story begins in 2008, in the midst of the global financial crisis. Banks were collapsing, governments were bailing out corporations, and people were losing trust in the traditional financial system. It was in this chaos that an anonymous figure, or group, known as Satoshi Nakamoto, published a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. This white paper introduced the world of Bitcoin, a decentralized digital currency that didn't rely on banks or governments. On January 3, 2009, the Bitcoin network went live with the mining of its first block, known as the Genesis block. Embedded in this block was a message. The Times March, 1st 2009, Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks. This was a clear nod to the financial crisis and a statement of Bitcoin's purpose, to create a financial system free from centralized control. At first, Bitcoin was worth almost nothing. In fact, the first real-world Bitcoin transaction happened in 2010, when a programmer named Laszlo Haniec paid 10,000 Bitcoins for 2 pizzas. Today, those Bitcoins would be worth hundreds of millions of dollars. But back then, it was just the beginning of a revolution. The rise of altcoins and the crypto boom Bitcoin paved the way, but it wasn't long before other cryptocurrencies, or altcoins, started popping up. In 2011, Litecoin was launched as a faster alternative to Bitcoin. Then came Ethereum in 2015, which introduced the concept of smart contracts, self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code. This was a game changer because it allowed developers to build decentralized applications, or dApps, on the Ethereum blockchain. By 2017, the crypto market was booming. Bitcoin's price skyrocketed from around $1,000 at the start of the year to nearly $20,000 by December. This period, known as the crypto bubble, saw thousands of new cryptocurrencies being created, many of which promised to revolutionize industries. However, not all of them delivered. In fact, many turned out to be scams or failed projects. But despite the volatility, the crypto market continued to grow. By 2021, Bitcoin had reached an all-time high of over $68,000, and the total market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies surpassed $3 trillion. This was no longer just a niche interest. It was a global phenomenon. The rise of decentralized finance, DeFi. While Bitcoin and Ethereum were making headlines, another revolution was quietly taking place: the rise of decentralized finance, or DeFi. DeFi refers to financial services that operate on blockchain technology without the need for traditional intermediaries like banks or brokers. Think lending, borrowing, trading, and earning interest, all done through smart contracts. The DeFi movement gained momentum around 2020, with platforms like Uniswap, Aave, and Compound leading the charge. These platforms allowed users to trade cryptocurrencies, take out loans, and earn interest on their holdings, all in a decentralized manner. By 2021, the total value locked in DeFi protocols had surpassed $100 billion. But DeFi isn't without its challenges. The lack of regulation has led to issues like hacks, scams, and market manipulation. For example, in 2022, the collapse of the Terra ecosystem resulted in billions of dollars being wiped out from the crypto market. Despite these setbacks, DeFi continues to grow, with many believing it could eventually replace traditional finance. The current state of cryptocurrency. So, where does cryptocurrency stand today? Well, it's a mixed bag. On one hand, adoption is growing. Major companies like Tesla, PayPal, and Square have embraced Bitcoin, and countries like El Salvador have even made it legal tender. On the other hand, regulatory scrutiny is increasing. Governments around the world are grappling with how to regulate cryptocurrencies, with some banning them outright. One of the biggest challenges facing the crypto world is its environmental impact. Bitcoin mining, in particular, consumes a massive amount of energy, more than some countries. This has led to criticism from environmentalists and calls for more sustainable alternatives. Despite these challenges, the crypto market remains resilient. As of 2023, the total market capitalization of cryptocurrencies is over $1 trillion, and new innovations like NFTs, non-fungible tokens, and Web3 are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Donald Trump and the crypto world. Now, let's talk about Donald Trump. Love him or hate him, Trump has had a significant impact on the crypto world. During his presidency, Trump was openly skeptical of cryptocurrencies, famously tweeting in 2019 that he was not a fan of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. He even went as far as to say that their value was based on thin air. However, since leaving office, Trump's stance seems to have softened. In 2022, he launched a series of NFT trading cards featuring his likeness, which sold out almost immediately. This move was seen as a nod to the growing influence of NFTs and the broader crypto market. But Trump's involvement in the crypto world goes beyond NFTs. Some analysts believe that his pro-business policies and deregulatory approach could benefit the crypto industry if he were to run for office again. Whether you agree with his politics or not, there's no denying that Trump's actions have brought even more attention to the crypto world. The future of cryptocurrency. So, what's next for cryptocurrency? Well, the future is both exciting and uncertain. On one hand, we're seeing more institutional adoption, with companies and governments exploring ways to integrate blockchain technology into their operations. On the other hand, regulatory challenges and environmental concerns could slow down progress. One thing's for sure, cryptocurrency is here to stay. Whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or the next big thing, the crypto world is constantly evolving. And as it does, it's forcing us to rethink what money is and how it should work. What do you think about the future of cryptocurrency? Do you believe it will replace traditional finance? Or is it just a passing trend? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're already invested in crypto, what's your favorite coin or project? I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the history of cryptocurrency, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. And if you're new to the crypto world, why not start your journey today? Just remember to do your research and invest responsibly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.